Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about Thanksgiving, obviously, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. What you can still do today is plan for next Thanksgiving. And some people are rolling your eyes going, wait a minute, that's a year off. Exactly. All the things you remember about planning for today, that your spouse remembers about planning for today, write that stuff down and plan for next year. One of the things you can think about doing is, hey, tomorrow, I bet there's a lot of turkeys going on sale at the grocery store that you could buy and toss in the freezer for next year. So you have one all ready before the prices go up between now and then. Also, the other things you need for the fixings, for making the pies, making the cranberry sauce, whatever it is you're doing, the marshmallows for on top of the yams, all that stuff you can prep long term. Go ahead and make a list and get it tomorrow or the next day. There are a lot of things that you can get that will last that long. And I know someone out there is going to be going, marshmallows will be stale by then. When is the last time you melted an old bag of marshmallows on something in the oven? It tastes just as good as if it was a fresh marshmallow. It still melts in the oven. It still browns in the oven. It still does everything. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps, not only short term, but long term. And you want to make sure everything in your pantry is full. And this is why.